Hi, hello everybody. This is Anita. We are welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about English language. In that, content based on methodology of teaching English. Before that, anybody new to this channel, please subscribe, click the bell icon. Thank you tuning into my channel. Please like, share and do comments. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the teacher of English language, qualities, qualifications, needs and approaches to professional growth of an English teacher in details. We discuss about these things. Okay. English language teacher has a unique role to play in the teaching and learning process. You know, English language teacher has a unique role to play in the teaching and learning process. Add this content to quote a statement on the abilities of the teacher given by Sir Henry Venki. For example, an average teacher explains, a poor teacher complains, a good teacher teaches, and an excellent teacher inspires. Holds in this statement hold good to the teachers of English also. The following points highlights the essential qualities, needs and qualifications of ideal English language teacher. Okay, then the qualities. What are the qualities? The top 5 qualities of a great teacher according to the students are: first one is the ability to develop relationship with their students. Second one, patience, caring and kind personality. Third one, knowledge of learners. Fourth one, dedication to teaching. Fifth one, engaging students in learning. First one, the ability to develop relationship with their students. How can you develop students teacher relationship in the class and outside the class? In the class, we know how to interact with the students. There is a direct connection between students and teacher in the class. Second one, patience, caring and kind personality. Teachers should be have patience so that some students take more time to learn. Teachers should be caring the students like own children. Teachers should be kind so that children are gentle. Since we discuss about less than 10 years only, then, knowledge of learners. Teacher should be a guide. You know, means guide. Take a one example, forest. Fourth, dedication to teach. No need to explain to teach. Dedication to learning. Teaching. Fifth one, engaging students in learning. But due to COVID-19, the classes are suspended. How teacher and students interact since there is no classes going on, we must use e-learning tools. And interact the students online. These are main qualities of English teacher. Then, qualifications, needs and approaches. Individuals who wish to pursue a career teaching English to speakers of others language can choose from several pathways to establish their teaching qualifications. First one, an English teacher must have suitable and advocate formal qualification to teach the subject English at the school level. Then second one, he must have proficiency in spoken and written English. Second, he must have sound knowledge of English grammar. Fourth one, he must have love for his pupils and subject. Fifth one, he must have love the creative writing. Sixth one, he must organize workshop and seminars for the learners. First one, an English teacher must have suitable and adequate formal qualification to teach the subject English at the school level. D.Ed for primary means D.Ed for primary school, B.Ed for high school. Above that, masters, if not PhD, is proper level. Second one, he must have uh, fro- proficiency in spoken and written means fluency in English, both writing or speaking. He must. Then he must organize workshop and seminars for learners means teachers should treat the children like their own only. He must publish articles and books on ELT. ELT means English language teaching. He must seek the membership the professional organization, example English language teachers association, etc. They must have thorough knowledge of tests, examination and evaluation in English language teaching. He must have the ability to carry out action research in English on issues related to classroom teaching. So that all. Finally, today we know about English teachers, what they have qualities, what they have qualifications, what they have needs and approaches. I told today best of my knowledge. You have any suggestion, please do comments. I will do next class. Okay, thank you guys.